Hello, today we will guide you through how to change the name of an account in QuickBooks Online. To begin, open QuickBooks Online and make sure you are on the main homepage. This is where you can access the tools and settings needed to manage your account list. If you are already signed in, you can go straight from the dashboard. Once you are in QuickBooks, move to the top right area of the screen and click the Settings icon. This is the main place for managing company preferences, lists, and other administrative options. If you are not sure where to look, it is typically shown as a small gear icon. After opening the Settings menu, click on Chart of Accounts. The Chart of Accounts is the section where QuickBooks stores all of the accounts used to organize your financial activity, such as income, expenses, assets, and liabilities. This is the area where you can update an account's details, including its name. When the Chart of Accounts page opens, look through the list to find the sample account you want to rename. Take your time here and make sure you select the correct account, since account names help keep your records organized and easy to understand. Once you locate the account, go to the right side of that row and click the drop-down menu. From the drop-down options, click Edit. This opens the account details window where you can make changes to that specific account. If you do not see the Edit option immediately, double-check that you open the menu for the correct account. In the Account Details screen, enter the new sample account name in the Account Name field. Make sure the name is clear and matches the way you want this account to appear throughout QuickBooks. A good account name can make reports easier to read and help reduce confusion later, especially if multiple people work in the same company file. Once you have entered the updated name and confirmed it looks correct, click Save. This applies the change and updates the account name in your chart of accounts. That's all it takes to rename an account in QuickBooks Online. After saving, it is a good idea to quickly review the list to confirm the new name appears correctly. This helps ensure everything is updated as expected and keeps your books organized moving forward.